And welcome back to Creature by Fab. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on a budget, using recycled items, thrifting items, and of course, Dollar Tree items. And today I'm really excited because I have two DIYs for you, farmhouse style for the bathrooms, and I can't wait to share with you what I did. Today I'm not excited only about the DIYs. Today I'm really excited because I'm doing a special collab with such a talented lady, Josie from JOSY'S Craft. I think you guys already know about her, but if you haven't heard from her, oh my god, she does a lot of farmhouse decor and quick and easy but beautiful projects. So I would love that you go and check her channel. I will leave her link down on the description below. So if you're coming from Josy's channel, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. So today I'm going to be sharing with you, like I said already, two DIYs for the bathroom. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off with the DIY number one. I'm going to be needing one of those 8x10 picture frame, some jumbo popsicle stick from Walmart, but I also Dollar Tree carried those, some white paint, and also some my Waverly wax and color antique, and some brushes, and also some poster letters, but you can also use a stencil if you like. So first I'm going to be removing the plastic, and also going to fall apart the entire frame, including the glass, just like so. I'm going to leave the glass on the side because we're going to need it later on. So here with the popsicle sticks, as you can see, I'm going to be gluing it on the frame, but before that I'm going to be cutting. So I measure one, and then I just cut it with a scissor, but I'm not going to be cutting each by one, so I just mark it then, and I'm going to be using my Meyer box. So I make a group and tie it with a masking tape, and then it's easy to cut it, just like so. But you can also do this with a scissor. Just you have to, it will take you more time just to buy one. So then I just use the same paper, smooth it out the most I can. Now I'm going to be removing the tape, as you can see, and next I'm going to be using the white acrylic paint, and I'm going to be painting them, just like so. So I let it dry, and now I'm going to be placing it on the back of the frame. So all I'm going to be needing is just hot glue, and I'm going to be leaving a little bit space in between, and just to give it that nice look. I don't know exactly the name for that, but it looks really nice to me. So next I'm going to use more hot glue, and then just put it back the glass, and use those little clip and tie it on the back. So as you can see, I use a lot of hot glue to make sure that glass doesn't go anywhere. But you can also use the rest of the frame if you like it, but I didn't want to show the color, so that's why I only use the glass, and I ended with something like that. So now I'm going to be using the poster letter, but you can also use a stencil if you like it. So I'm showing you here two different ways. So I did horizontal and also vertical way, just to show you guys, so you decide which side you like better. So I went for that one, and I think it looks beautiful as it is already. So now all I'm going to be doing is distressing a little bit the white part with the antique wax and a little bit of dry brushes here and there, and that's all for the first DIY. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. Looks simple, but at the same time a really farmhouse. So it's perfect for my bathroom, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Now we're going to be working with the DIY number two. So for the second DIY, I'm going to be using one of those large is design, some popsicle sticks, and some poster letters, also some black acrylic paint, some white acrylic paint, and also some antique wax. That's what I'm showing at the beginning, but at the end I ended using other kind of paint as well. So here I start removing the little feet and the bow and also the hanger part. So but anyway, I'm going to be working with the back of the sign. I give it one coat of white paint, just like so, and here we go. So my idea is glue the stickers on it, and then I'm going to be using another paint and then remove the stickers to have the letters in white, only because I don't want to paint the letters in white at the first place. I thought it really will work because I have done this technique on the past and it worked perfect, but I was using a spray paint, and this time I'm going to be using acrylic paint. So I believe that was the case, that white didn't work this time. So anyway, I'm showing you guys the process, but at the end I ended doing something else. So here, just so you can, if you want to do this project just like that, just not doing it with acrylic paint. So here I was removing the stickers. As you can see, didn't work at all. So I ended up removing all the stickers and then send it out and then paint it over with black acrylic paint just to cover the white part. So now what I'm going to be doing is painting the poster letter with the chalk paint and color mineral, and this really worked perfect. I should have done this at the first place, but who knows? You know, that's what happens when you are crafting. Sometimes things didn't go the way you want it, and recently that's been happening to me. I don't know why, but yes, all I did was painted the poster letters, and then I just placed it on the board. They came out a little crooked, but I think they look beautiful anyway. Now I'm going to leave the sign on the sign, and we'll be working with the frame of the sign. So for that, I'm going to be using the popsicle sticks. I'm going to be cutting the ends. I use my Meyer box, and then I'm going to be send it out and also extend it just like so. Now here I'm just showing you what I'm going to be doing is just using some hot glue, but you can also use wood glue for this process, just like so. And I ended with something like that, and I think the frame of this sign looked absolutely beautiful. So now with the stencil and a makeup brush, you don't have to use that, you can use any other brush. I'm going to be using the mineral paint, chalk paint, and voila, and we almost done. All we need to do is use some hot glue and glue the hanger part. I'm not going to be using the nails because that board is thin and we don't want to ruin it. So hot glue, it will work just fine. And that is it for the second DIY. And I really think it came out absolutely beautiful. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1 or number 2. That is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and also go check JOSY'S channel and let her know you're coming from Creative by Farmhouse. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.